The statistics section allows you to keep track of your entire flying activity at a glance. You can filter the data by machine type and by time frame. You can also focus on a specific aircraft registration or a particular pilot. Once the filters are applied, you'll see a detailed summary. Your grand totals, the breakdown between single and multi-engine, single pilot or multi-pilot, the hours flown as PIC, co-pilot, instructor, or examiner, and the different flight conditions like VFR, IFR, or night. You'll also find the number of takeoffs and landings, both day and night. This section is designed to help you easily monitor your progress and check at any time whether you've met the requirements for licenses or ratings, keeping everything aligned with EASA standards. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next video, we'll show you more features of the platform.